Good morning, everyone. This is Brian, and I am a certified tour guide here in Camotes Island. So, to all our visitors wishing to visit, especially our foreign friends who plans to visit here in Camotes, I suggest that you will take the hassle-free route, which is Poro. It's the gateway of Camotes Island, and you can definitely book your boat with us via Super Shuttle Ferry. And here are the scheduled trips daily. It travels from Liloan to Poro Port and vice versa. So Liloan Port is just a few minutes away from Cebu City, so it saves you the time and hassle of traveling going to Danao City, which is about 2 hours away from mainland of Cebu. So you can also book your tickets online to avoid line delays, or you can simply message me. I also have rentals here in Camotes. I have scooter rentals available, and I'm also open to tour bookings such as solo tours, group tours, especially for those who are planning to have their team buildings here in Camotes Island. So definitely I am available. You can contact me via my WhatsApp number, or you can send me a message through our Facebook page. So here's one of the examples of the motorcycles that are currently for rent here in Camotes Island. It's technically a brand new scooter. It's a Click 125, and we have some more variants here available as well. We have Honda Beat and Aerox and other motorcycles for rent. Okay, so also we have tricycles here. We have multi-cabs available for tours. You can definitely just book us here, and I could arrange your tours here in Camotes Island. Alright, thank you so much, and also please follow my vlog, Kuya B Vlogs, to keep you updated of the trends here in Camotes Island. See you guys.